Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. In this video, we will be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course, I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal practice very well before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow it bit by bit till you get to that level. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is 3M trend milker trade indicator. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend from here. You can see the red flag. We have different opportunities of forming in right here. You can see all the red arrows, okay, till it got to this support zone. Okay, it was unable to break out below this, so it's tried out a buy trend for a while, okay, but it's finding it difficult to break out above this particular resistance zone and may likely try it out again. Okay, so I believe it will still buy more. That is if it does not break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to keep on selling. Okay, but for now we expect it to buy more if it does not break out below that support zone, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone at the highlighted resistance zone, then it will buy very fast. Okay, so right from here, this is boom 500. It started a downtrend which came to an end around there, and right here it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 has actually sold till it got to this support zone, had a pullback and went back down to break out below this support zone, and it has gotten to another level. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below this support zone, it will go back on buy trend, but once it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. So for now it is still selling. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started an uptrend right from here, and of course it is still buying at the moment because it has gotten to this resistance zone, broke out above this resistance zone to buy more. And of course if it's unable to break out above this next resistance zone, then it will come back on downtrend, but once it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, but you need to watch out if it's going to break out from the resistance zone. So this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 started an uptrend from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag. You can see the buy signal from here, got to this region, had a pullback, gave us another buy signal around there and around there till it got to the end of the resistance zone. And right from here it started a sell signal. Okay, it started a sell trend, a downtrend, and of course got to this support zone, pullback, and it is at the support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared here, and practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.